In this video, I will take you through the streets of Talat Noi, Song Wat, and Yaowarat Road, also known as Chinatown. We are starting at Talat Noi, an area known for its mural arts, trendy cafes, and cozy streets. There is also a cultural site here, which is a temple Wat Trai Meet. Every little street that you will walk into, you will be able to find a combination of aesthetically pleasing details with immaculate vibes of peacefulness and authenticity. And of course the motorbikes cutting through the little streets of Talat Noi, busy with their daily duties. Well, that's the real Bangkok for you there. Walking through the streets of Talat Noi, you will get to enjoy the beautiful sight of locals going about their daily lives, as well as numerous trendy cafes, each styled in their own unique way. Talat Noi is an area where you can witness how the world of tourism and the locals going about their daily life collide in one beautiful mixture. Walking the streets of Talat Noi, we're actually heading there. Got off at the Hua Lamphong station, and from there you can get to a lot of places, to Chinatown, to Talat Noi, to the old city. So it's a fun little location with a lot of authentic things here in Bangkok. You never know what the next turn might bring you, whether you're gonna stumble on a hipster cafe or on a local street food coffee shop, which has probably been there for generations. Yeah, what do you think?
I want to drink something. Thai tea.
Walking through Talat Noi, getting closer to Song Wat and Chinatown areas, you will begin to see more and more temples, from small, filled with locals, to big, filled with tourists. This gate, erected in 1999 in honor of a king, marks the entrance into the Chinatown. This is where our Talat Noi walk is coming to an end, but I have a dedicated video about it, which you can watch by clicking the link in your upper corner. Walking from Talat Noi to Chinatown, you have to pass through Song Wat Road, known for its Instagrammable sites, hip cafes, and vintage shops. I also have a dedicated video about it. Now we are arriving to Chinatown, which is one of the most popular and visited locations in Bangkok. Street food on top of street food, sold by countless vendors, is what you will be able to find at Yaowarat Road. From shark to seafood to chestnut, and of course, the king of all fruits, the durian, are all waiting for you here in Chinatown.